All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. You are watching from Nisha's view from the bottom up, the fashion side. And so today on the channel, we are styling the classic nude heels, nude pumps, 3 ways. You know how I always do it: preppy, dressy, casual. So with no further ado, let's get into these looks. So the shoe that I'm styling, like I said, are these these heels from Zara. Got these from Zara before Christmas, was it? No, after Christmas sale. See, this heel is not bad. I told you this heel wasn't going to be it's really not that bad. I needed some nude pumps because the ones that I had, they were done. They were done. But these are really nice. They, buckle around the ankle. So they have your ankle strap there and then the opening in the back and the side, on the side. So these are very good. I got these in brown and I got them in black. Yes, both pair. All right, so how do we start off with our preppy look? I love this look. I like it a lot. So the pants here are from Free People. They are barrel leg jeans. They look so good with the heels together. And then of course the button down shirt here, I got it thrifted. I want to say it's either Banana Republic or somebody, I don't know who it is, but I got it thrifted. So it is blue, dark blue with black pinstripes. And of course, I got to add in a little bit of seasoning. And if you're watching this for the first time, I say seasonings. I like to add seasonings to my looks. And what I mean by that is the accessories. So sunnies, rings, jewelry, ties in this case, and brooches, or like anything, your purse, your bag, or whatever. Anything that just adds a little bit of, something extra to your look. That's seasoning. That's the seasoning. The tie is just from my husband's closet, of course. And then the brooch, I got this from my mom. I don't know where she got it from, but I've had it for some years. This cardigan vest that I got from Zara. This is from Zara. It's a blue cardigan vest from Zara. I got this take it back. It was in 24. I got this in 2024, the end of 2024. And then of course here, I'm showing you my seasonings. The bracelet is from Zara. The ring is from Zara. The sunnies are from 12 PM Studios. And the purse is from Brandon Blackwood. I absolutely love this look. The jeans just fit so well with the shoes, with the pointed toe-ness of the shoe, and how the barrel of the jeans just bows out. Phenomenal. I love it. So definitely when you're wearing your pointed toe shoes, if you like the barrel jean style, definitely style them with your pointed toe heels. Okay. All right. So now let's move on to look 2, which is our dressy look. Okay, so look 2, the dressy look. Like I said, we're staying with the same shoe, the same pump here. What I did here was, I like this look too. It's a little bit different. It is a little bit different. And if you watch my video on Sunday, I did the what's happening for spring summer 2026, and this kind of goes in there with a couple of those what's happening that I talked about. So the volume with the pants, these big pants with the peplum on the top around the waist, definitely what's happening for 2026, spring summer 2026. And the pants are from what I get this from ASOS. Got these over Christmas, same time that I got the sweater from last week, and the sweater with the fur on the sleeves. The denim corset top is old, is very old, from Zara. I got this a couple of years ago. And then the florals the florals, because I talked about that in my Sunday video of what's happening as well. So the floral bodysuit is from Amazon. And then of course, you know, my seasonings, the seasonings that I added here, the sunnies are from 12 p.m. Studios. The ring is from Shop Koi. The purse is from Brandon Blackwood. And then the bracelet I've had, well, it's not a bracelet, it's actually a necklace, which is this necklace here, is from the Outnet. So it's like two necklaces in one. So yeah, I thought this looked very good together. The color of the pants are like a green and check, and there's like a blue stripe going through it, white, cream color. They just look good. They just look good. And styled together with these nude shoes. These nude shoes, get you a pair of nude shoes, okay? You have to have you a pair of nude shoes. It just balances the look out. And if you don't want to wear a black shoe or a gray shoe, get a nude shoe. Get a nude shoe. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So that is look 2. I don't know. It's maybe my favorite look. I don't know. But hold on, we ain't finished. So let's move on to look number 3, the casual. Okay, so look 3, the casual look. We're sticking with same shoes, same pumps, same new pumps. And the pants are from Amazon. They are the camo pants. Camo is like a neutral. We're going to say camo is a neutral. She's a neutral. And then the 2016 denim shirt. If you've been following that trend that's been on, you know, the social medias, the IG, and I think it may be on TikTok, but they're, you know, reminiscing about 2016. I've had this shirt since 2016, probably 2015. So yeah, so the denim shirt, the denim with the camo, you cannot go wrong with pairing those two together. They're just made to go together. It's made to go together. And then I put on this jacket because I looked at this look and I was like, something's missing. When I looked at it, I was like, I need a jacket or something. So this jacket is actually, I think my sister-in-law gave it to me some years ago. So it's like a khaki jacket, kind of still like a military style type of jacket. And then of course, you know, I got to add my accoutrements onto it. So the brooches are from Amazon, and then the sunnies are from Elisa Johnson, and then my regular what I always wear for my bracelets and my rings for casual looks. And the purse is from Brandon Blackwood, and then the chain belt is from Sandro. I looked at this and I said, like I said, I looked at it and said, okay, I need something else to go with the jacket. And then I said, I need something else to go around the waist. If you watch my Sunday video, I just layered and said, okay, that's enough. That's enough. And I stopped. And this is what we came up with. This is the look. I absolutely love it. Again, with the pants leg. Also, I didn't mention that when I was putting the pants on. But I put the ankle strap around the pants leg because I just like that look better. But it could definitely work without it. And, you know, some of the shoe would be covered. But I wanted to show the shoe, so that's why I did that. But yeah, this look is really cute. It is really, I like all 3 of these this time. Sometimes, you know, I be on the fence about some looks, but then y'all like it, and I'm like, oh, okay. But yeah, all 3 of these are hit. All 3 of these with these shoes, with these new pumps. You can, from day to night, you can wear these pumps. For sure. Okay, so that is how I style those new pumps. Like I said, I love every last one of those looks. I really do. So next up on the channel, we are going to be styling, I think I'm gonna do sneakers. So yeah, they're going to be sneakers. Sneakers are next on the channel. If you are a sneaker girl or a sneaker person, then this next one is going to be for you. But I mean, if you're looking to get into sneakers, then of course, still watch. Okay, made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here with me, with us, everyone else that watches and is a part of the family. Come on, hit that subscribe button. And then let me know in the comments which look was your favorite and how do you style your pumps? How do you style your new pumps? Do you have new pumps? And then, of course, like and share. So, until next time, I'll talk to you then. All right.
Thanks for watching my GG channel. Period.